So here I have the Hilltop Furniture felt pads. In this video, I'm going to go over the top questions I was seeing for this product and answer them for you, and then hopefully help you out with your purchase. So those questions were, how easy is this to apply to your furniture? And the second question I was seeing is, what type of furniture will this work for? So I'm going to answer all those for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Let's get into that first question, which is, how easy is this to apply to your furniture? So they make it so easy. These are just sticky pads. All you got to do is peel it off, and you can stick it right to your furniture. I've actually got a video going in the corner where you can see me do that, but it takes literally seconds to do. They make it very simple. And now for the second question, which is, what type of furniture or appliances will this work for? So it'll work for any type of furniture or appliance that you want. They have a bunch of different sizes for you. They have small circles, bigger squares, and they also give you just some bigger chunks, which I already used, that you can kind of cut and custom fit. So I had a bigger chair, so I needed something a little bit bigger than this, and I was able to custom cut them out and just stick it onto my bigger chair, and it's worked out perfect. So I'm already using this in my house. These are an awesome product. They're super affordable. It's exactly what I needed. So I'm a happy customer. 2 thumbs up.